Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn ice maker and the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But which one is right for you? In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you make an informed decision. Both the Silonn ice maker and the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker excel in ice production speed, delivering 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid output makes them ideal for parties and gatherings where ice is needed quickly. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn ice maker is priced at $109, while the Sweetcrispy model is more budget-friendly at $59. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution. In terms of noise level, the Silonn ice maker operates at a quieter level of less than 35 decibels, making it a suitable choice for quiet environments. The Sweetcrispy model, on the other hand, operates at a slightly higher noise level of less than 40 decibels, which may be a consideration for some users. In conclusion, both the Silonn ice maker and the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker offer impressive features for quick ice productions. The Silonn model is more expensive but offers a quieter operation, while the Sweetcrispy is a more affordable option. We hope this comparison helps you choose the best ice maker for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.